A day in the life of a DBA using the Netezza Database Assistant. IBM Netezza Performance Server is a powerful, scalable data warehouse and analytics platform designed to accelerate complex query and simplify data management. With the latest version 11.2.3.6, Netezza introduces the Database Assistant, an intelligent chatbot that puts Netezza's power right at your fingertips. Today, I'll show you how I use the Database Assistant to investigate a recent performance issue and how it helps streamline daily DBA tasks. Last week, I noticed performance alert on our Netezza environment. Around May 30 and 31st, several ETL and reporting jobs began running longer, and monitoring reports were delayed. While the system has since stabilized, I wanted to understand exactly what had changed. Was it a system-wide scaling issue or something happening at the query level? Time to ask to Database Assistant. First, I'll ask the assistant to show me the workload pattern since last week. So here's the smart scaling data for my Netezza instance. As we can see, the actual workload remains constantly low, around 5% of the usage, with predicted uses slightly higher but well within safe ranges. NPS confidence score, if you see, is pretty low and no scaling was recommended. This tells me system capacity wasn't the issue. Any performance impact was more likely tied to changes in the workload itself. Next, I'll drill down to the query level. First, I ask for the longest running queries in the last 24 hours. As you can see, no results came back, meaning no significant long running queries were detected. The system is currently healthy. Next, I expanded the window to last 48 hours. Here we see several moderate cost to car queries from the test and ABG databases, likely part of scheduled reporting or monitoring job. Finally, looking at the last week, the picture changes. We see select queries on vtable system views across multiple databases, SQL EXT, NZRC, INZA, and more, mostly executed around May 29 and 30th. These batch processes consume noticeably more system resources, confirming the cause of the earlier performance drop. Now watch how easily I can interact with my database using just natural languages. I simply ask, show queries with most resource utilization from 6 September to the current date, and no SQL needed. The system instantly returns top 3 heavy queries with full detail. In short, I'm getting deep visibility into system behavior using plain language instead of writing complex SQL by myself. With the database assistant, made simple, fast, and intuitive. Based on these insights, here's what I can typically do next. Optimize SQL logic where possible, review and adjust indexing strategies, check statistics and join conditions, collaborate with development teams on tuning long-running queries, leverage smart scaling recommendation proactively. With the database assistant, these tasks are much faster, giving me more time to focus on optimizing overall system performance. In this session, we use the database assistant to analyze workload patterns over time, identify batch processes that impacted system performance, confirm current system health with spot checks, streamline typical DBA workflows. All of this reduces manual efforts and helps keep our Netezza environment running smoothly. I hope you will find this video informative. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy querying.